Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a digital revolution that's reshaping finance as we know it. Today, we'll explore the basics of cryptocurrencies and dive into the quirky universe of meme coins, highlighting how influential figures like Elon Musk have played a pivotal role in their journey. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency, introducing the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Since then, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins, have emerged, each with unique features and uses. Among these altcoins, a peculiar category has gained popularity: meme coins. These are cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes and jokes, often created more for fun than for serious investment. Despite their humorous origins, some meme coins have garnered significant attention and market value. Dogecoin, for instance, started as a joke in 2013, featuring the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme. However, it has since become one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies, thanks in part to endorsements from celebrities and influencers. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has been a prominent figure in the cryptocurrency space, particularly concerning meme coins. His tweets have often led to significant fluctuations in their values. In April 2019, Musk tweeted, "Dogecoin might be my fave cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool." This endorsement brought mainstream attention to Dogecoin. In April 2023, Musk tweeted, "I will pay $1 million Dogecoin for proof of this mine's existence." Such tweets have often led to immediate surges in Dogecoin's price. Musk's influence isn't limited to Dogecoin. In January 2025, he shared a meme on X, formerly Twitter, that led to a 429% increase in the price of CumRocket, an adult-themed meme coin. Similarly, his cryptic posts have caused significant price movements in other meme coins, demonstrating the power of social media influence in the cryptocurrency market. While the world of meme coins can be entertaining and sometimes profitable, it's essential to approach with caution. Their values are highly volatile, often influenced by internet trends and personalities rather than fundamental financial principles. As a beginner, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency, especially meme coins. Remember, while the hype can be enticing, informed decisions are key to navigating the crypto landscape successfully. Stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.